How to use the WordPress Toolkit to troubleshoot WordPress errors and correct them. Today we're going to troubleshoot a WordPress website and errors shown on the WordPress login page. So while the homepage seems to load perfectly fine, anytime I go to the login page, the error appears. To troubleshoot the error, I'm going to use the cPanel's WordPress Toolkit. Now, once I get to cPanel, I'll look around for the WordPress Toolkit, click that, and it'll bring me to this page that says WordPress Toolkit. Now to start, I'm going to find the domain name listed within my WordPress Toolkit and click the little down caret, and then that'll show me all kinds of wonderful options. Now, we're going to start with debugging because we're going to troubleshoot. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and enable it. Now once I enable it, let's go ahead and set the settings. Now by clicking the settings, then I choose the WP debug box, and that's going to go ahead and enable debugging on WordPress and also show me the error in most cases. So let's go check the main website. All right, let's go ahead and check the login page as well. Let's just see if that error is appearing. Yep, there it is. And the error actually shows the plugin that's causing the error, which is Query Monitor. So our next step is going to go back to the WordPress Toolkit, disable that plugin, and then check to see if the error disappears after I disable it. So here we go. Let's click on Plugins, find the Query Monitor in the list, and go ahead and disable it. Check that bubble. Now once the plugin's been disabled, it'll no longer be active within WordPress. So let's go ahead and refresh the page and see what happens. Pretty awesome. So we've troubleshooted and we've corrected the error. So let's go ahead and go back to the WordPress Toolkit. You know what? We really don't need the Query Monitor plugin anyway. Let's go ahead and delete it. Now once we've deleted the plugin, of course we can reinstall it later or anytime within the WordPress dashboard. Well, that's about all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.